Good YouTube. Got a couple videos I'm doing late night. Doing a couple reacts. Shit. Reacting to driver spins out after 109-mile-per-hour chase. Let's check it out, man. Like and subscribe. Follow the follow all the socials. Follow the Twitch. Let's see what they talking about.
On July 9th, 2023, an officer with the Pleasant Prairie Police Department in Wisconsin was on patrol when he observed a vehicle in the left turn-only lane travel through the intersection without turning left. This simple traffic violation should have been a quick conversation and possibly a ticket, but the suspect had other plans.
What is that, a quick star? And quick stars be bussin'. If that's a quick star, you know, you know.
200 feet of traffic. East Frontage Road. David Zebra 65964 from 165 northbound.
They don't look like they going fast at all. Shit, this ain't no damn chase. Ah, okay, they pulling over.
Don't go! 29 PD 1080.
They playing GTA with them.
29 reason for the stop is going to be disobeying a traffic sign. Speeds are 60. One occupant, female, black. 209 approaching Highway C. Speeds are 90. No traffic.
Oh yeah, she's floating, she's floating, she's tweaking.
Approaching Highway C. Speeds are 60. Zero traffic.
She's tweaking.
She's on the wrong side of the road. No traffic.
Nah, she's
Looks like
tweaking.
we'll be going westbound. On C.
She gotta be drunk or high or something.
209 PD, I'm still right behind her. We'll be going westbound on C, still past the interstate. PD still westbound from the West Frontage Road. She's in the wrong lane of traffic. No traffic.
What the?
Speeds are 75.
Nah, she tweaking. Oh God, she tweaking. This gotta be drunk, high.
209 PD light traffic passing the 130-100 block. Speeds are 90.
What is she running for though? Like, what could she possibly be running
Highway
for?
45 is going to be next. Speeds are 100, light traffic.
Driving like this, though, I don't know. There's gotta be like some drugs. She on the whole other side of the road.
209 still medium traffic. Speeds are 90. Traffic's yielding to me. Speeds are 90. 209 still medium traffic. Speeds are 90. Traffic's yielding to me.
Like she on the whole other side. This is how these roads be in Illinois though. It do be like just two roads. Not two roads, but just two sides of the street. There ain't no other road you finna split off of. So she's floating down the whole road of people just coming straight this way. Like That's crazy because some people wouldn't even know how it could be so many cars. A car back there wouldn't even know what's going on. They just hear 12. Don't even know it's a chase going on in front of them.
Unit 10 your way. 10 for you, I'm still good. 29 speeds are 110, no traffic. Road conditions are good.
What the hell?
209 coming up to MB. I'm
What
slowing
the
down just because
hell?
of the roundabout. She's going about 90 into it.
Going 90 in a roundabout? I think I've been
290,
here.
we're still
This look familiar.
going through MB. Speeds are only 60. Light traffic. 209, she did pop her left tire, so we do have one tire down. At minimum, light traffic.
Popped a tire. It was that
209 PD
bump.
passing 60.
It was that right there. Yeah, it was that right there for sure.
209 PD, we're still going through MB. Speeds are only 60.
It was most
Light
definitely
traffic.
that.
209, she did pop her left tire, so we do have one tire down. At minimum, light traffic. 209 PD passing the 17,000 block, 17,000 block. Light traffic, speeds are 80. Thousand block, 17,000 block. Light traffic, speeds are 80.
Block, about 8 miles an hour.
209 coming up to medium traffic. Speeds are 70. Traffic is yielding to me.
Oh my fucking goodness.
209, we are passing on oncoming traffic. Light traffic still.
Thought she was going up
Tires
hitting them.
getting obliterated here. Passing 18500 block.
She's still going 100 or something?
Lead for 209, you said the tire's out?
Looks like front left
Nah,
and
she's tweaking.
left rear are blowing out, so we're slowing down
She
to about
giving stuff
80,
like
coming up to 45.
she's swerving and some more stuff like now you even more cooked.
84 to
You way more cooked.
211, I'll keep you for a little bit longer.
I'm heading out that way.
209 PD, she spun out. I'll be boxing her in right over here on the front road. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! On the ground! On the ground! Put your hands behind your back!
Okay, I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing. Mom.
Good.
Yep. Mom.
Get the phone away from
Mom.
her. She don't need her phone.
No, it's my mom.
I don't care about it anymore. You're under arrest.
What was you running for though?
271 in custody.
It's my mom.
It doesn't matter. You're going to jail. All you had to do is stop. For a simple fucking ticket.
A ticket, man.
Roll her back over that way.
I don't have nothing.
Well, then you should have fucking stopped. Put your knees up. Get up.
Oh,
Damn, just a ticket.
she hit your car?
No,
No, I didn't hit nothing.
she spun out because she was driving like a fucking maniac.
What
Get
was
in
I
there.
driving like?
Well, I'm not even going to discuss it. You're going to jail and you probably won't get out for a bit.
What's it be?
Pull it down, or is there any more?
Probably years.
Years.
Years?
I'm like a fucking lunatic.
Well, yeah, putting people's lives in danger and all of that.
What's your name?
Teresa. I don't have drugs or cars or nothing.
So you should have stopped.
I was just scared because I was suspended, that's why.
That's not worth anything with what you're going through. It's a ticket. We'll be a little bit.
She missed the curb in the roundabout.
Yeah. That's why I knew. Was like, I know it was coming up, so that's popped her tire. And then she did a full fucking 360. Then I was like, I'm ending it right here.
Yeah.
That's what we're going to do. I don't want to damage
So
this car.
I was assuming that she was going to go south on 45, that she knew where she was at. So I was at Q and 45 waiting with bikes.
Thank you. Well, she wanted to go south on the interstate, but I...
Dang, that is crazy. People do be, I ain't gonna lie, shoot. I know it's a couple people, shoot, in my life. Probably an uncle or two had nothing but a little, same thing, little ticking. Got gone. Don't even be worth it for real, because now he talking about years. Years. So, shit don't be worth it, man.
prevented.
That's crazy.
The subsequent search of her vehicle yielded no evidence of additional crimes. However, she was charged with 2 felonies, fleeing an officer and first-degree recklessly endangering safety. She spent nearly 3 weeks in jail before she posted a $20,000 bond. Currently, she is awaiting a plea hearing scheduled for March 2025. She has entered a plea of not guilty to both felony charges.
That's typical. That's
Damn,
our typical
20,000?
bond for fleeing. It could be higher. I've seen it at 50. I've seen it at 100. But that's our typical bond. It doesn't matter.
Like
Your
20,000
actions are
bond.
speak louder than what's
There's
in the
that
car. All
bill
you had to
that
do was
go
stop
down
and I would have given you a
10%.
ticket. That would have been it. No, literally, there's nothing I could have taken you to jail on. In Illinois, that's a crime to drive while revoked or drive while suspended or without a license. In Wisconsin, it's a ticket. Literally, that's all. I would have said, wait for a valid driver. We would have been done with it. So because of your choices, you went from a very simple ticket and a court date to multiple felony charges.
Damn. That shit crazy. It really is different how states. It don't matter the United States, shoot. Some states had this law, some states had this law. Some states do that, some states do that. Some states don't do that, some states don't do that. Damn.